Want to ditch the controller and experience true racing immersion on your PlayStation 5? Let's get your Thrustmaster T300 wheel connected. First, power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Then, locate the USB ports on the back of your console. Now, grab the USB cable that's attached to the base of your Thrustmaster T300 racing wheel. Carefully plug the USB cable from your T300 into one of the USB ports on the back of the PS5. Make sure it's securely connected. Next, ensure that the power cable for your T300 is properly connected to the base and plugged into a functioning wall outlet. Locate the power switch on the back of the T300 base. Flip the switch to the on position. Power on your PlayStation 5. The wheel should automatically calibrate itself once the console boots up. Launch your favorite racing game. Go to the settings menu and verify that your Thrustmaster T300 is recognized as the primary controller. You're all set to dominate the track. Enjoy.